Unlike what most people think, breakfast should not necessarily be a non-fat meal. The trick is finding the right kind of fat to eat in the morning. Butter does contain fat that helps you process vitamins, but it contains a lot of saturated fat too, which can cause damage to your heart as well as weight gain. Spread peanut butter over your toast. A study found that peanuts and pure peanut butter can help you feel less hungry during the day, because it increases the production of peptide E, a hormone that regulates hunger, making it a great breakfast. Although easy to take with you when in a rush, most frozen pancakes, waffles, and cookies contain refined carbohydrates. This is not necessarily bad, depending on your diet, but refined carbohydrates can make you feel hungrier during the day. They also contain little to no fiber and a lot of trans fats that are harmful for your health. Instead, make them at home and opt for wholemeal flour or check nutritional values for high-fiber pancakes. You can also simply replace them for some wholemeal toast. Non-fat yogurt has become a widely available alternative for breakfast. Unfortunately, it often contains many sugars to add flavor and little protein. Studies have also shown that full-fat yogurt actually helps to lose weight. Protein consumption in the morning can help you feel less hungry during the day, which full-fat yogurt is packed with. Instead, choose a full-fat yogurt with no sugar. Most fruit juices contain just as much sugar as soda, according to this study, making them one of the worst choices for breakfast or consumption in general. It also contains almost no fiber. Interestingly enough, this is not why they're a bad breakfast replacement. Eat regular fruit. It's a great way to activate your digestive system in the morning and prepare it for higher calorie intake in later meals.
Apples, garlic, pears, beans, and peaches all contain fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols or FODMAPs. They are carbohydrates that people are sensitive to because they are more difficult to digest than others, which leads to fermentation in the stomach and intestines, hence that bloated feeling. They're not to be avoided, but should ideally be eaten later in the morning, once your digestive system is more active. Instead, eat small quantities of these foods in combination with a healthy amount of fat and protein to help you digest them.